hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another monthly favourites. Every month I say this and I will never stop saying it, that the fact that April has been and gone and it went far too fast in my opinion. I cannot believe it. So we're here with another favourites video. I am so excited to share with you what I've been loving this month, and as per normal, I don't have absolutely loads, but I have a reasonable amount and I'm just excited to share them with you. So grab yourselves a drink, a coffee, a tea, a hot chocolate or an alcoholic beverage if you fancy one, and yeah, let's jump into my April favourites. Before I get into my April favourites, I do just have a tiny shout out to mention at the beginning of this video, and that is for the amazing company which is Ana Luisa. Now I have mentioned Ana Luisa in about 2 or 3 other videos and I love them so much. I am so grateful that they want to continue working with me. They got in contact with me again and wanted me to promote their Mother's Day sale, which is so exciting, and I absolutely love a sale. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit of a bargain hunter myself, but they have 15% off of the entire website at the moment to celebrate Mother's Day, and Mother's Day in the UK has been and gone. I believe it was a month or so ago now, but Mother's Day in the US I believe is in May. Very confusing, not sure why it's on different dates, but anyway. But they do have a Mother's Day sale going on right now where you can get 15% off of the entire website, which is amazing because their products range from $39 upwards, so there's something for everybody, which is incredible, and to get a sale on something that's that affordable is even better, to be honest. So yes, they got in contact with me to ask if I wanted to pick out 3 items. I've given one to my mum, which is amazing. She was so thankful, and it was the January Birthstone necklace. So beautiful, and she loves it and she wears it every day, and she's been a fan of Ana Luisa ever since I got sent my first parcel from them, and ever since she's been really wanting to try some of their jewellery, so I've given her a necklace. However, they did send me 2 things for myself, so I'm so excited to open these up. They've been in the packaging since I ordered them ages ago and I haven't even looked at them, so I'm so excited to go through what I picked. I can't wait. I just love their jewellery so much and it's just so dainty, stylish and just amazing quality. So I just want to let you guys know as well that to guarantee standard shipping before May 9th, which is when I do believe that Mother's Day is, you need to order, if you're in the US, by Wednesday, May 5th, and you need to order internationally by Monday, May 3rd. So do make sure that you click the link in my description, get your 15% off, get your mother a really beautiful Mother's Day present, or whoever is representing your mum in your life, stepmum, mum, dad, anyone, get them a nice gift because everyone deserves a treat now and then, and their jewellery is just such a perfect present. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to share with you what I chose. I'm so excited. So if you've watched a few of my other videos where I have mentioned Ana Luisa, you will know that I picked out these amazing gold safety pin earrings, and I've literally worn these every day non-stop since. I shower in them, I sleep in them, they are so beautifully comfortable. I'm obsessed, and I remember when I got these, I mentioned in my video, you know, if they have them in silver, I'm gonna have to snatch those up because I'm more of a silver jewellery person. I always have been, and it's just what I do, but they brought them out in silver, so I picked these straight away and was like, I need those in my life now because they are beautiful, stunning silver safety pin earrings. And again, I've worn these so much, they haven't tarnished, they've not been uncomfortable, they've not come undone, they are so comfy. So I'm so excited to have them in silver because, like I say, silver's a bit more my style. I guess it kind of goes better with my skin tone, I don't really know, but I'm obsessed. So happy to have these in my collection. The second thing I chose is a necklace, and I absolutely love Ana Luisa's necklaces to layer and stack because I think they are so dainty and some of them have some beautiful details on that they work really well together. So I saw this one, and this is a beautiful chunky gold necklace, really stunning piece, and I thought this would look so nice just to wear maybe with like a gold choker or something, just to layer it up and go for something a little bit different, especially if I'm wearing like a darker top or something. I just think it would look absolutely stunning. So I chose this one, and again, I'm just really loving it. They've changed their packaging a lot since I first started working with them, and I really love it. On the back it says hope, love and create, and it's just so inspirational, and I think Everyone needs a treat like this now and then, especially with what's going on in the world at the moment. I think it's just so stunning. So those are the two pieces I chose, and then like I said, I got my mum one piece and she chose to go for the garnet birthstone. Was it garnet or yeah, birthstone necklace. So stunning. She wears it every day and she's honestly in love with it, so she's so thankful to have that. So thank you guys so much for sending me those so I could gift one to her. But like I said, make sure that you click the link in my description. Like I said previously, I don't gain any money from doing so. It's just so you guys can receive the 15% off discount, which is on until May 9th, which is so exciting. So make sure that you order on there very soon to get even something for yourself. If you're a mother or you fancy treating yourself, now is your time. So yeah, make sure you check them out. Thank you so much, Anna Louisa, for sending me some stuff. I love you guys so much. And now moving on to my favourites. So the first thing I've been loving this month is a lipstick, and it's one that I'm wearing right now, and it's the Bourgeois Rouge Edition Velvet Lipstick in the shade Hot Pepper, which is this really lovely kind of burnt orangey red. It's a matte finish liquid lipstick kind of thing. It's not, I don't know whether it's a liquid lipstick, like, I don't know how you would describe it. It's almost thin, moussey. I don't know. It's very bizarre, but I think they're so comfortable, easy to wear. They don't kind of end up all over my face, and I've just absolutely been loving this, especially because we've had some sunshine here in the UK finally. I've been loving this. To go on top of that, I have been reaching for my MAC lip gloss in the shade Viva Glam Miley Cyrus 2. Now I know full well you can't buy this anymore, I am so sorry. However, I used to be obsessed with MAC when I used to live in Bristol for university, and when this came out I had to get it. I loved Miley Cyrus and I was like, I'm just gonna buy it. So I did, and I honestly haven't really gravitated towards it much in the past few years. However, I just thought that with this it was a really beautiful combination, and it's not sticky. It's almost, I don't know how to describe it. It's just not sticky. It's not gloopy. I mean, it is a lip gloss, so it's going to be sticky to some extent, but it's not sticky on the lips at all, and I absolutely love the texture. I believe this was about £15, so it's quite expensive for a tiny lip gloss, but MAC has always been quite expensive anyway. But yeah, I really like this, and this is one of the lip glosses, so yeah. Love that. I definitely want to get a few more of these. I really, really like the texture and the kind of quality of that, so might have to get some more of those. Next up is my scent favourite of the month, and that has been my Daisy by Marc Jacobs Oh So Fresh perfume. Now I've definitely mentioned this in probably quite a few favourites videos. You're probably bored of hearing me talk about this, but this perfume has been my go-to for the past 2 or 3 months now. As you can see, I am slowly making my way through it. It's so fresh and clean and crisp and floral. It's so beautiful, and I am trying to make my way through all of my perfumes at the moment and maybe have like 1 or 2 on the go at the same time, because I didn't realise perfume goes out of date, and it just meant that all my perfumes smelt gross and I had to throw away a lot of money worth of perfume, and it was so upsetting. So I am trying to get through all my perfume now, and I am spraying myself probably, I don't know, 20 times a day 20 squirts a day, because I just want to get through it all. But it's so fresh and clean, really crisp, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this. They have just brought out a new one, and I can't remember what it's called, but on the bottle lid it's got like some blue things and stuff. So pretty. Smells insane. So that is just a go-to. I need to get one because it smells delicious. But yeah, if you've not tried it, this is amazing. If you want a really sweet, subtle perfume that almost smells like a Hollister shop, amazing, so good. Next up is another makeup favourite, and I went through a phase a few months ago of not wearing highlighter anymore, and I haven't really worn highlighter in months. However, I have recently been gravitating towards my I Heart Makeup Revolution, what are these called? I don't even know what these are called. They're like boxed highlighters. So they are by the I Heart Makeup section of Makeup Revolution, and they look like this. So I have 3. I have the Mermaid Heart, the Unicorn Heart, and the Dragon's Heart as well. And I was gifted these from my parents a few years ago, and I haven't really gravitated towards them. However, I've been loving them recently. Today I've got the Dragon's Heart on. I don't know whether you can tell too much. I did apply that about 6 or 7 hours ago, but I love that one. The Unicorn's Heart is a rainbow highlighter, and obviously this was very popular a few years ago. It kind of went viral on in the makeup world, but it's so stunning. So beautiful. I will actually swatch the Dragon's Heart one as well so you guys can get an idea of what that one looks like. I'll do that one here. Obviously it's a bit more red toned, but it is really stunning. And then you've got the Mermaid's Heart, which is probably the most interesting because it's such a weird mix of colour. Like, I wouldn't expect there to be an orange, but if I pop this one here, hopefully you guys can see all of those in the light, but they're so pretty, and I think they were really affordable. I believe these were only about £4 back when I was gifted them, so really affordable, really nice quality. And I think for somebody, if you're kind of learning to use makeup a bit more and you want to have options, I Heart Makeup is a really good option, and they're really, really cheap. So 10 out of 10, been obsessed with those. And lastly, moving on to my Lush items. I told you guys I haven't really been using a lot this month. I mean, again, this month's flown by and I've been working, so it's not been a month for me of trying new things and stuff. However, I have enjoyed 2 Lush items. The first one is the Snow Fairy Body Conditioner. Now, I've just finished one in my bathroom. This is the last one that I have, so I'm really upset that I only have this one left. However, it just smells like bubble gum. It smells amazing, and I've been really enjoying using body conditioners in the shower, especially because it is getting a bit warmer now, so we are going to be going out in skirts, dresses, shorts. In terms of ingredients, this one has cherry infusion, almond oil, jojoba oil, mango butter and cocoa butter, so super rich, super hydrating, and it smells like bubblegum. And I'm really sorry that you can't buy this anymore because it was a Christmas exclusive. However, hopefully in December they'll bring it back out again. And my last favourite again was another Lush item, and this is the American Cream Body Lotion. I'm not going to lie to you, I have had this product for about 4 years, which is gross. I know it's gross, but it smells fine, it works fine, it looks okay, it's not mouldy, it doesn't smell weird, and I honestly think that because I'm not putting it on my face, it really doesn't bother me, but it looks like this. Now, it is a more liquidy texture for a body lotion. However, I have been loving using this after a shower. Sinks into my skin super quick, and because it's the American Cream scent, it's strawberry and cream basically. It smells like a smoothie. It smells delicious, and I cannot recommend this enough. If the Lush Kitchen ever release it again, I promise you, you will not be disappointed if you put your money in this product. So good. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I'm sorry if it went super quickly. I feel like this video has flown by and I've rambled on for a very long time. But yeah, let me know down below what you've been loving. Let me know down below any video requests you have, or if you still like my favourites videos. I would love to know. And obviously, don't forget to check out LUISA. I will leave the link in the description so you guys can receive 15% off. And if you purchase anything like this necklace or the earrings, do let me know because we can be jewellery twins. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!